How to change profile picture on Tinder. Hello everyone, this is Reshma and welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to guide you how to change profile picture on Tinder. Before getting started, please make sure you have a stable internet connection. First, you need to go to Tinder application. Then this type of interface will be shown on your screen. As you can see different icon on the bottom. Tap on the profile button which is on the bottom right corner. Then this will lead to your profile. Then tap here. From here you can see your details and information about your Tinder account. As you can see in the media, I have already uploaded much photos. Here we are trying to change our profile picture, so you have to change the first photo. For that, tap on the first photo. Here tap on replace photo option. Then you will be given 3 options. You can just capture photo from camera, or if your desired photo is on gallery, then tap on photo option. After that, it will automatically lead you to your gallery. From there, you have to select the desired photo and tap on done. Wait for a while. As you can see, the profile photo has been changed. So this is how you can easily change your profile picture on Tinder. If you found this tutorial video informative and easy, do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And also press notification bell so you won't be missing any update from us. So this was for today's video. Meet you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.